All right, guys, hear me out. Listen. I'm going to show you guys how to hard reset your Tesla. Not hard reset, just soft reset. Now, if you Tesla owners know when you hit the brake, when you put it in reverse, it might ask you for your passcode sometimes, yeah? But sometimes, for some odd reason, the car, this just freezes. I don't know, it's just computer. So I looked it up. So you have to press and hold both of your scroll wheels. So you're going to do this, press and hold both, right? Give it a second. Boom. Resets the whole computer module. Now, a few minutes, this will come back on, and you'll be good to go. Let's give it a few seconds here. Bang. So press and hold both of your knobs. I'm doing this with one hand. You guys do it with two. I'm recording, do your thing. But yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.